Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix pink screen of death or PSOD error in Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Then first up, our first fix here, if you can open up your Windows computer or your OS, well, just go ahead over to your search bar and type down System Updates. Okay, now click on Check for Updates. Install all available updates from here. Okay, once installed, go ahead over to Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates and install all available updates here as well. And once that's done, it may require you to restart your computer. Do not restart your computer yet, okay? Just close the System Updates section. Then right-click on your Start menu, click on Settings. In the left panel, we have Accessibility and Color Filters. In here, just make sure that Color Filters is disabled, okay, or toggled off. Also, keyboard shortcut for color filters, turn it off so you'll not accidentally press it. Okay, and once that's done, just gotta restart your computer and check if it helps. If that still won't work, find a CMD or command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, hit on Yes, just like so. Now in here, we're going to type down src /scan now. All right, hit on Enter. And just wait for the process to finish. As it says here, it will take some time, so just patiently wait. And then once that's done, okay, I'm just going to close this one, okay? Do not close it. In the same command prompt window, or you can go ahead and open up a new one if you want to, just type down chkdsk or checkdisk /r, hit on Enter, and just wait for it, okay? Now you're going to press Y and hit on Enter. Now exit, type down exit, and just restart your computer. Restart. And once that's done, it will check some system files, repair it for you. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix a pink screen of death or PSOD error in Windows 11 or 10. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.